Good morning, ladies and gents, or evening, afternoon, wherever, what time you guys are watching this from. We are actually out at Falls Lake. I got here late last night, so we just set up and hung out for the rest of the night, made some dinner. The ranger kept us up all night, so the wife and kids are still moseying around. They're trying to get some more sleep. He really wanted to get out and get out here and play around, so he's out running around here somewhere. We got a few hours to kill, so I'm out here casting a few lines. This week's gonna be, you know, exploring, doing some hiking, camping, and I did bring my kayak, so one of these days I'm gonna take it out. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy.
Say be careful.
Dude, I didn't think it was gonna sting me.
Oh yes, those things are vicious.
They look black.
What kind of bees are they?
I don't know.
The nice babies, they're like wasps.
They hurt.
That one was black. That looks pretty rough.
Yep.
Those wasps, hornets, whatever they are ferocious. I bet this guy's hurting too.
Yeah, probably.
You okay, dude? He's still licking his wounds. He still think that there's something around him. That's what happens when you go digging around, dude. So we came back from the lake, and there was a lot of water leaking from last night. You guys can see it's all muddy up here. So I went to go try to put some tape on it, and lo and behold, I'm missing that plastic O-ring in there. That's probably why it's leaking. So we are definitely gonna have to run to town, which really sucks. I mean, it worked out, I guess, because they wanted to go explore some of these Korean joints. I'm gonna make a pit stop at Lowe's, pick up some O-rings, and I think that's it. Hopefully we don't have to come back. Hopefully we don't have to go back. Hopefully we get everything we need. But that's the game plan. We're gonna just maybe explore this city here a little bit, come back, and then figure out something to do.
And that's what the gutter helmet does. It makes sure your gutters work.
It's a good thing we came to town and started raining, so this is probably a better bet instead of hanging out at the campsite getting rained on. I hope they got some coffee in here. I need some caffeine. I'm gonna hit this spot first, then we're gonna head to Lowe's and pick up some supplies. Yeah. Whoa, that dude popped up. He said, "Don't get me."
Look how cute these are. They're like RV size.
Oh, perfect for the camper. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Everything's like mini size. Even this right here, fish sauce right here. That's like the mini size. Look at the mini Nutellas. All these little mini stuff. Mini bottles of chili oil. Everything is so mini. Mini hot sauce bottles. Got these little gaskets. Also stop by. Oh man, Ranger, your breath stinks, bro. Alright. Did a Target run. Now we are ready to go. Just back to the campsite.
Yes.
Oh, it stinks in here. Look at that crawfish. Mmm, spicy crawfish flavor. Try it. That's not bad. Hey Luke, try some.
I'm gonna rip one on you.
Disgusting, man. You wanna try some?
No, thank you.
Noah. Noah, you wanna try some?
What?
Potato chips.
Look,
Let's fix this. This guy's out. Perfect. Yep. Not leaking no more. Perfect. Turn it like this. As the wind's coming up from the lake. That might be okay. And And we can cook like this. Cool. Mini beef bun, onion. $3:45 and we just been waiting out this storm. It's gonna be a while. This is like,
I'm not even near you, bro.
talk about family time, man. This is a long time for us to be together. Stuck in one little tiny space. Right, Ranger? Man, you want to get out, huh? Oh.
Hey!
This boy. We're turning the dining room to his bed now. You guys have a good day?
Yes. Yes, we did.
Oh. I was got the camera pointed towards this dude here. Totally ignored me.
Yes, we did.
Yes. Yes, we had a good day today.
We stayed in
Yeah.
the rain.
This guy's gotta be super bored. Sorry, bud, we can't take you outside. Training, man. But he's a little drowsy from the Benadryl. Alright. We are settling in for the night. Hopefully this storm is not too bad. And hopefully tomorrow will be better. Need to get to fishing. Alright, breakfast was pretty good. The wind died down a whole lot now. We're catching the very end of this tail end of this storm. So we're gonna head into town, maybe do some exploring. But hopefully by the time we get back, it'll clear up and we can actually go on a little hike or head to the dock and do some pan fishing. It's still coming down. A nice little drizzle. But the radar is showing that it's at the tail end of it. Ranger, you're gonna have to stay this time, okay, bud?
Okay, so thank you. Yeah. I'm putting a temporary hold on my card.
What's the lesson learned here? Don't pay for sketchy parking. It is a legit one. Look at them tires. Them tires, that's cool.
Someone cut her udder off.
What are you doing? I don't know, man. Bro was grabbing those nipples like it was something else.
Nipples.
What's up?
Tom help me gather the egg.
Okay. Grab it.
I can't grab it. You grab it.
Is it supposed to do something?
For egg and low, bro. Mom, I love Mom.
Oh, and here comes the rain again. What?
I got walk him outside.
Real fossils? I don't know, man. They look pretty real. What are they doing, man? Just eating sand? Are they cleaning out the tank?
You know those fish that actually clean your toes?
Hey, fellas.
Imagine getting chased down by one of these guys.
If they existed in today's time, probably.
Check that out. Haven't seen that in like 2 days. Got back from exploring Raleigh and it's cleared up. Wind stopped. Might go throw a few casts now at the pier. See if we catch something. But it's lunchtime. Oh, I don't smell too bad in here. No. I take that back. Smells like Ranger. Boil that, and then put the noodles in once it boils. Got it. I can't be that different. Tonko. No? No?
What are you making, Noah?
Just like that, the rain is back. It finally cleared up. It is 6:30 and I don't think it's quite done yet. There's still a little bit coming through, but we got maybe 45 minutes of just fishing time right now. So that's what we're gonna do. Make a few casts and call it a night. And just like that, it was less than 45 minutes. It was more like 15 minutes of fishing. I don't want to get soaking wet, so I'm gonna head back. And then sunset's not till 7:20, so hopefully it just passes by pretty quick and it clears up and maybe we can catch a sunset. I don't want this dog to be smelling like wet dog. It's gonna smell the whole camper up. Let's go. Come on, Ranger. Come. I think this whole entire video is going to be about rain. We're not going to make a good camping video no more. The past 3 times that we've been out camping, I'm almost positive that it rained on us. Just about the majority of the time. It's very frustrating. Then again, it's better than being stuck at work. Alright. I'm just gonna relax and listen to the sound of this rain. Here we are, making a trip to Food Lion. What are we doing here, Noah?
Very trash away.
No, man, we are getting some popcorn because we're gonna have a movie night tonight. This stupid rain has been keeping us stuck inside.
Get the race car.
We're gonna make a popcorn bar.
Get the race car. No.
Yeah, get the race car. Where's the race car? Hopefully if you sleeps on your bed tonight, you won't be moving around too much.
Like last night?
Yeah. I think he needed his bed because he was like, his body was just like sore on the hard ground.